Papá.
A mamma.
Papá.
E a mamma. Basta. Brava Marta! Hey, sweetie. Ready? Let me see. She's excited. What does she think? Does she like it?
No.
No, you don't think so?
What?
Wait.
I don't want a baby more.
It's not going very well, Dad.
Junior, you like what the heck?
Wow.
What is that
No.
stuff?
Eat it.
That's crazy, dude. You're
Eat it, little girl. Say swallow, June. Do you want to show her how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Is
try.
it good? No, you eat it, Sage.
Yeah, show her how to eat it.
Junie, look at Sage.
Give her a little bit.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
delicious.
That's yummy, June. Oh, no, I don't like it. Let's see if this is better.
I got one. I got one.
Okay. Well, darn.
Let me make this up.
I don't think she likes it. You gonna try it? Try it, see what you think. Try it. Gross? Not good?
It's so nasty.
You.
One, two, cha-cha-cha. 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 One, two, cha-cha-cha.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Smoking my blood, smoking my.
Holy crap.
Is that good?
Man. Watch it.
Nails. Hola.
Нам, брат, мы сегодня дадим поесть, да? Арсений.
Мама убрала, все, Новый год кончился, давай. Все, на следующий год поесть. Точнее, в этом году поесть.
What are you doing? I can't believe you smacked her.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. High five. Look at that face. I'll see you later.
Ice cream?
I said ice cream.
I mean. Oh
Say hello.
Oh, no. Stop pulling that sad bit. Stop it right now. Stop it.
Sorry, last night, but hour and a half. Yeah. What is that? Maybe Italian? See Mozart?
I'm full. Look at my belly.
Happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know.
Gonna rip it off my ears.
I know. Go. Give me a smile. Hi. Thank you. I love you.
She's not going to get back to me. I'm going to hold him for 1 1,000 hours.
But that's my baby.
It's my baby.
No, he's mine.
I'm gonna go outside and put a jacket on both of us.
Where are you gonna take him?
To Walmart.
To Walmart? To get what?
Get some baby toys for him.
Oh. Don't you think he needs milk?
Yeah.
How are you gonna feed him?
Just gonna put in the bottle and then put in her mouth.
But you don't have any booby milk.
That's a bad word, Mom. I go put in my boobies and then I'm going to clean them.
Why was it different? Because I said that was different. I'm the one doing the groveling, and the groveling gets you judgment rights, and I'm judging that this is different.
Well, the Romanian judge makes it different.
Rory, I know you need help. I'm not going to deal with my parents on this one, okay?
Mom, you're really stubborn.
Oh, no.
So is Grandpa.
He's at work. Could you explain to him that part of the quitting process means you don't go back to the job you quit?
He did not quit, he resigned.
Same rules apply.
No, when you resign, you have to put in a certain amount of time to get things in order. He has clients to see, certain accounts to close out.
Is that hard for him?
Actually, I think he's rather enjoying it.
Well, good.
Yes, it is good. What are you taking?
Roofies?
Aspirin.
Are you getting sick?
No, I just have a headache.
Well, having a headache means you're sick. You think it's normal to have a headache?
No, I just have a tension headache.
Well, what do you have to be tense about?
Oh,
Little nut, 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 little nut, nut, little nut, 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 little nut, nut, little nut, 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 little nut, nut, little nut, 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 little nut, nut.
You said it like 15. Oh. Daddy, how you blow your bubbles?
Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, 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 dip. Okay, now go blow 'em. Oh. There it is.
No. Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Buh. Hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Yeah.
You give her a little kiss. It's your little mouth.